Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that you've earned money overnight, without even leaving your bed. For many, this sounds like a fantasy, but it's quickly becoming a reality for people all over the world. Today, it's more possible than ever before, thanks to the power of the internet and new technology. The world is changing, and so are the ways we earn a living. You no longer need to be tied to a traditional 9-to-5 job to make a steady income. Imagine earning a steady online income, maybe even $100 a day, without ever showing your face. You could be working from your bedroom, a cozy cafe, or even while traveling. The possibilities are endless, and the barriers to entry have never been lower. You don't need fancy equipment or to be a video expert. In fact, you don't even need a high-end camera or expensive software. All you need is a basic computer, a reliable internet connection, and a willingness to learn something new. The real game changer is the power of AI. With artificial intelligence, you can create, edit, and publish content faster and easier than ever before. AI tools can help you brainstorm ideas, write scripts, and even edit your videos, all with just a few clicks. The digital world is full of opportunities for anyone willing to learn. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a side hustle, there's a place for you in this new online economy. Faceless YouTube channels are changing the game for people who value privacy or are camera shy. You can share your knowledge, creativity, or passion with the world without ever stepping in front of a camera. The best part? You can build a profitable channel using just your ideas and free AI tools. You don't need a big budget or a team of experts. All it takes is your imagination and a willingness to experiment. This guide will show you how, step by step. We'll break down the process into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow, even if you're a complete beginner. No experience needed. AI does the heavy lifting, from writing scripts to editing. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish with just a few simple tools and a bit of creativity. Your role is to direct and guide the process. Think of yourself as the creative director of your own online business, making decisions and steering your channel toward success. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with effort and consistency, it's a real path to financial freedom. Over time, your hard work can pay off, giving you more control over your time and your future. Let's dive in and start building your faceless YouTube channel together. Every journey begins with a single step, and yours starts right here, right now. Your journey to earning $100 a day starts now. Get ready to unlock a new reality, one where your ideas and creativity can turn into real income, all from the comfort of your own home. Passive income is the dream, earning money with minimal ongoing effort. A faceless, AI-powered YouTube channel is a perfect example. Upload a video once and it can generate revenue for years. YouTube's massive audience means endless potential viewers. With AI, you can create more videos, more consistently, and scale up fast. Most tools are free or low cost, so anyone can start. You're not limited by budget or technical skills. AI handles the hard parts. Focus on creating valuable content and building a loyal audience. Think of your channel as a business. Each video is a product working for you 24/7. As your video library grows, so does your income potential. What starts as a side hustle can become a full-time income. This is about more than money. It's about building your future. Ready to start your journey? To build your automated YouTube channel, you need the right tools. The best part? You don't need expensive software. 4 free, user-friendly tools will power your workflow. ChatGPT, Pictory, CapCut, and Canva. ChatGPT is your scriptwriter and idea generator. Just give it a prompt and it delivers. Pictory transforms your script into a video, finding stock footage and adding AI voiceovers. CapCut lets you polish your video with captions, music, and effects. Canva is your go-to for designing eye-catching thumbnails. Each tool is beginner-friendly and offers robust free plans. Together, they handle everything from script to final thumbnail. You don't need design or editing experience, just creativity and consistency. This toolkit is your production team. Let's see how each one works. Every great video starts with a great script, and the script is truly the backbone of your entire production. Whether you're making a quick tutorial, a deep dive documentary, or a fun vlog, the words you choose set the tone and guide your viewers through your story. That's where ChatGPT comes in. It makes the scriptwriting process not just easy, but also creative and efficient. Start by asking ChatGPT for video ideas tailored to your niche or audience. You can get a list of trending topics, evergreen content suggestions, or even unique angles you might not have considered. Once you've picked a topic that excites you, prompt ChatGPT to generate a detailed, engaging script. Don't be afraid to ask for a specific structure or style. Be as specific as possible. Ask for an attention-grabbing intro, clear main points, and a strong call to action that encourages your viewers to engage. You can even request examples, anecdotes, or questions to keep your audience hooked throughout the video. The more detail and context you provide, the more tailored and effective your script will be. Don't hesitate to iterate. Refine your prompts until you get exactly what you need. Always review and edit the AI's output. Add your personal touch, adjust the flow, and make sure the script sounds like you. This is your chance to inject your personality and expertise. Use prompts like write in a friendly tone or make it conversational to match your channel's unique style and connect with your viewers. You can even ask ChatGPT to mimic your previous scripts or adapt to a specific audience, ensuring consistency across your videos. Break the script into short, manageable sentences or sections. This makes it much easier to record, edit, and keep your energy up on camera. This step is crucial. Your script is the foundation for everything that follows. Don't skip editing. Polish your words until they flow naturally and clearly. Your careful oversight and creativity can turn a good AI-generated script into a truly great video that stands out. With a polished, well-structured script in hand, you're ready to move on to the next step in your video creation journey. ChatGPT not only saves you hours of brainstorming and writing, but also helps you stay consistent and creative, even when you're short on time. Now let's move on to turning your script into a compelling video that brings your ideas to life. Are you ready to take your content to the next level? Let's get started. With your script ready, Pictory transforms it into a video, fast. Paste your script into Pictory's script-to-video feature. Pictory automatically breaks it into scenes and matches each line with relevant stock footage. You can swap visuals for more control, but most of the work is done for you. Choose from a range of AI-generated voices. No need to record your own. Adjust narration speed and style to fit your channel. Add background music from Pictory's royalty-free library to set the mood. Fine-tune visuals, voice, and music until you're happy. Click Generate, and your video is ready for final touches. Pictory saves hours and makes faceless content creation simple. Next, let's polish your video for YouTube. CapCut adds the finishing touches that make your video stand out. Import your Pictory video into CapCut. Use the auto captions feature to add on-screen text, crucial for viewers who watch without sound. Edit captions for accuracy and style to match your brand. Enhance your video with smooth transitions, effects, and sound effects. Trim or speed up clips to keep the pacing tight. Adjust background music so it complements, not overpowers, the voiceover. Review your video from start to finish for flow and engagement. Export in high resolution, perfect for YouTube. Now you're ready to create a thumbnail that gets clicks. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression. Make it count. Canva makes professional thumbnails easy, even for beginners. Start with a YouTube thumbnail template for the right size and layout. Use a high-quality background image, bold text, and contrasting colors. Keep text short and curiosity-driven. Don't just repeat your title. For example, use Eat These to Win instead of Top 5 Healthiest Fruits. Add outlines or shadows to text for readability on small screens. Use strong visuals. Upload your own or choose from Canva's library. Add graphic elements like arrows or emojis to draw attention. Keep the design clean and uncluttered. Download your finished thumbnail and pair it with your video. A great thumbnail means more clicks and more views. Picking the right niche is crucial. Choose something with a big audience, but also make sure it's a topic you genuinely enjoy and can see yourself working on for months or even years. Your passion will shine through in your content, making it more engaging and authentic for viewers. Don't just chase trends. Think about what you can bring to the table that's unique or different from what's already out there. Research successful faceless channels for inspiration and study how they structure their videos, what topics they cover, and how they engage their audience. Look for patterns in their most popular uploads and see what you can learn from their success. This helps you proof the model works before you invest your time. Popular niches include history, finance, health, tech, and mysteries. But don't be afraid to explore sub-niches or combine topics for a fresh angle. Consistency is key. Upload at least once a week to grow. Set a realistic schedule you can stick to, and treat your channel like a long-term project. Don't get discouraged if early videos get few views. Building an audience takes time and patience. Use YouTube analytics to track what's working. Focus on click-through rate and audience retention. If your CTR is low, experiment with new thumbnail designs and try out more compelling titles. If your retention drops off early, tighten your scripts and improve pacing to keep viewers engaged. Let data guide your improvements, not guesswork. Don't aim for perfection. Publish, learn, and improve with every video. Perfectionism leads to procrastination. Progress comes from action. The workflow, ChatGPT, Pictory, CapCut, Canva, makes regular uploads achievable, even for beginners. Embrace learning and growth. Your skills and channel will improve over time. Every creator starts somewhere. Just start. The key is to keep going even when it's tough. Remember, your future audience is waiting for your unique voice and perspective. Stay patient, stay consistent, and you'll see results. You now have the blueprint for a faceless, AI-powered YouTube channel. We've covered everything from idea generation to thumbnail design. The only thing missing is your action. Don't get stuck planning forever. Start creating. Commit to uploading your first video this week. It doesn't have to be perfect, just finish the process once. Each video gets easier and better. Imagine where you'll be in 6 months with a library of videos earning passive income. Every YouTuber started with 0 subscribers and 1 video. Open ChatGPT, write your script, and begin. Share your niche ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Your feedback helps this community grow. Stop watching, start creating, and begin your YouTube journey today.